Aphyni LED flush mount ceiling light with remote, LED ceiling light fixture, 24 watts 12-inch ceiling lights for bedroom, 2400 lm dimmable and 3-color temperature selectable. Convenient bedroom ceiling light with remote and app control. Not only the wall switch, you can also use remote and mobile phone for multifunction control, turn on/off the light or adjust the brightness/color temperature or set a turn off timer etc., saving you precious time. OREiN LED ceiling light, brushed nickel flush mount LED light fixture for laundry room, hallway, bedroom, kitchen, 12-inch 5-color temperatures in one. Quick and easy installation, includes all mounting hardware and accessories. Follow the installation guide for a quick and easy setup. Only takes a few minutes to enjoy the bright light. Perfect ceiling light for laundry room, a 1200 lm LED light will be bright enough to spots and stains on clothing. It will be a wise choice to replace the old light fixtures and brighten up the laundry area now. Flush mount ceiling light fixture remote control, Pressure 12-inch 24-watt dimmable LED ceiling light black 3200 lm ceiling lights 3000K/4500K/6000K adjustable with night light for kitchen, bedroom, dining room. Selectable CCT and brightness dimmable. Our 12-inch ceiling light fixtures offers you the option of choosing your 3000-6000K color temperature directly by a wall switch or remote control. The brightness range can also be adjusted between 10% to 100%.